channel. Today we are going to discuss the scope of PharmD in India and in abroad. Let us cover the topics like eligibility of this and the career options from this PharmD in India, and what is the pros and cons if you take up the PharmD course in India, and all the aspects and the current trend and market of this PharmD in this India. Okay, let's get to the article. PharmD is a 6-year doctorate level course including 5 years of academic study and a year of internship or residency. The Pharmacy Council of India recognizes PharmD as a Doctor of Pharmacy course in India. There is an increase in scope of pharmacy to meet the ever-growing needs of healthcare industry. You need to get this point. It is not AICT which is approved. It is PCI approved course. Okay. The course aims to prepare eligible candidates, students in the management of patient medication therapy and improving patient outcomes. What I mean to say is PharmD is a course which aims at hospitals and patients, but not the industries or the manufacturing units of pharmaceuticals. Unlike B Pharmacy, a PharmD graduate cannot enter the bulk productions, quality analysis, or anything in the production or manufacturing of the medicines. Okay, the best part of PharmD is that you will be called doctor upon completion of your 6 years of the course, and I think this is the fastest and smartest way to prefix with doctor without an MBBS and without a PhD. Okay, let's see the eligibility now. PharmD course, you need the basic 10 plus 2 or equivalent qualification by a recognized board and a qualification of diploma and pharmacy from a PharmD college. Okay, to pursue this PharmD you just need 10 plus 2. What PU or whatever you call intermediate, you need just 10 plus 2. Okay, let's go to the course details. The course is 6 years as already I have mentioned, and 1 year internship. Last year is the internship. The course curriculum is designed in such a way that initially you will be dealing with pharma subjects, but later on you will be submerged into subjects which will be core and spine of the entire course. From second year, you deal with multiple case studies and present them to the rest of the healthcare system. Yes, you heard it right. From second year itself, you'll deal with multiple case studies and present them to the rest of the healthcare system. Trust me, you will learn a lot in this course. Let us now see the career in India. How will it be in the present market scenario? In India, after the course completion, there are limited wings which you can go. First, it is hospital pharmacy as it is the core subject, and then others like pharmacovigilance and clinical research. And of course, you can go with a lot of teaching requirements like faculties, assistant professor. This is the best option which you really are interested in it. And other options are like SAS, clinical SAS programmer, and also you can take up medical writing. This is not a really core subject, just this is an option. Let us list out the private and government sector jobs for PharmD students. There will be hospital pharmacist or a normal pharmacist, community pharmacist, pharmacovigilance companies, clinical data management, drug inspectors, regulatory affairs, pharmacometrics, quality assurance and control, medical coding, research scientist, drug analyst, research associates. These are the private and public sector jobs where you can go after PharmD. And recently, government has approved PharmD course for drug inspector post without any experience. I mean, if you do a B pharmacy, you need to have 3 years of manufacturing experience to write the PharmD exam, drug inspector examination. But in some states, the PCI has approved PharmD without any experience. Okay, let's see the cons of it, disadvantages. I mean, it's a bad part of this PharmD. Okay, don't be depressed. Let me tell you frankly about the whole picture. So let us start now. You are qualified enough to work in a hospital setting. If you do the PharmD, you are professional in a hospital setting and as a clinical pharmacist. This particular medical trend in India is not yet started much. Okay, we do not see any pharmacists prescribing or counseling patients normally in our hospitals. So, this is the actual sole purpose of the course was introduced, but now only a few large private hospitals seem to have adopted this PharmD and this clinical pharmacy thing. Okay, it is not very well established and there is no proper awareness yet. Don't be surprised if the pharmacy is mistaken for PharmD instead of a doctor. People might think diploma instead of a doctor. But and during your daily ward rounds with the doctors, people get a chance that you call a nurse or anything but not a pharmacist, because they don't expect a pharmacist to be with a doctor in India. Okay, and that's when you hold a job that will definitely does not match the amount you draw in other countries. In any other countries, the pay scale for this course is very encouraging, but in India it is really not. You might not the respect you get in India here as a pharmacy student. In my opinion, one can go for pharmacy without regrets. Okay, be pharmacy or something like that. As you enter you can have a wide scope. Like in hospitals, you can enter, you can go for an industry, manufacturing unit, sales and marketing, research programs, teaching, community pharmacies, all based on your interest. So there is a wide scope in B Pharm or D Pharm, whatever you do. Whereas the scope for D Pharm is limited to hospital and clinical pharmacies. So, for the core subjects, it is really disappointing or discouraging to say that in India it is not much given importance. But this is very encouraging. What will I say now? The scope of PharmD is very bright and really brilliant in abroad, where you be treated and respected as doctors itself. If you deal with your core subjects perfectly and without any doubt, there are extreme possibilities that even in India, while you are moving around with doctors, you will be handling the regimes and prescriptions. You will directly in abroad, you will directly interact with the patients. During patient counseling, you will be pioneer in a drug dosing, personalized treatment patterns, anything, and the doctors itself come to you for any drug related query, like whether it is dose adjustments, adverse reactions, side effects. This will all be you can see in abroad, not in India. Okay, So the efficiency of your subject and your subject grip will definitely help you in abroad if you really want to settle as a doctor of pharmacy. In many countries, let me say thee, you are one of the most respected and challenging medical profession, and you are highly paid. Yes, it is highly paid and a responsible job, and your job satisfaction is 100%. You will practice what you have learned and apply all that you know to the benefit of the patient and the society in abroad, not in India till now. Maybe in future you will get, but the current market is like this. So if you wanna really settle in abroad, this is the best course you can choose. And if you wanna settle in India, you have to rethink twice before you go to this profession. Okay, this is for all for today, and this is the perfect scope of PharmD in India, and it is your time to decide whether to do it or not. It's up to you, and take good advice, make so much of research, and then take a brave and good decision. All the best. See you in next videos. Please do subscribe and like if you really like this video, and if you want more content, good content, please ask me what you want in the comments, and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get more video updates. Thank you so much. Bye bye.